Jesus. How the place look up and men and some people were so evil. No for them want test, no can't test, my God bless. But most of them all let's put my go and press regardless. On and on we go. On and on we go. On and on we go. Come and know. From your mind conceive, then you shall achieve it. No make them stop you with them bad energy. Them no love only evil, them a pre. Them no want me for people. Jah make me fly away, fly like a million sparrows. Take me away from the horror. You know, Jah make me fly away, fly. I can take this no more. This is not what I hoped for. You know, Jah make me fly away, fly like a million sparrows. Take me away from the horror. You know, Jah make me fly away, fly. I can take this no more. This is not what I hoped for. You know, them talking this, them talking that, them calling them best back man, shut them, dip them, all them, set them, no one summarize, and not some drop. I hear me go to the top, move to the place, I might wanna move forward, I'm not turn back, I just guide me. And the same one say Ray, and the same one say Boo, and the same one say them, and the same one say you, and I someone come down to one conclusion, can't trust nothing way I do. Jah make me fly away, fly like a million sparrows. Take me away from the horror. You know, Jah make me fly away, fly. I can take this no more. This is not what I hoped for. You know, cause this world may be cold and so lonely, lonely. Jah, I call on you, holy, holy. Only you alone control me. In this a world full of foamy. All this world may be cold and so lonely, lonely. Jah, I call on you, holy. Hey, Jah make me fly away, fly like a million sparrows. Take me away from the horror. You know, Jah make me fly away, fly. I can take this no more. This is not what I hoped for. You know.
All right, folks, the Tivoli Gardens High School Band with us this morning. It is Wednesday. It's a Band Wednesday morning, and it's the last day of January 2018, believe it or not. It is January 31, and we welcome everyone to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. We welcome our friends all across the world on onespotmedia.com, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. No surprise, we're going to have a great show for you, and it's time for you to get up because you got things to do, don't you? Empress Camille.
Good morning, Mr. Bell. Good morning, Jamaica. As Neville said, good morning to all our friends across the world tuning in as we come to you live from Kingston, the greatest morning show in the world.
Or the young ones.
My young ones are good. How are your grandchildren?
They're brilliant.
The other
They're
set of
brilliant.
youngings.
They are absolutely brilliant. Thank God. Thank God.
Sweetie.
Yeah, great to see you, man. Great to see you.
Yes, another day is here, and we give thanks for health and strength. I want to big up the entire crew, all the camera crew.
Right.
I want to big up the engineers.
Right.
Because without them, we are nothing. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yes. Benji, floor manager, big up yourself, unique producer. Who's the director, Prince?
So that would suggest that if things are not right, it's for them fault too.
Yeah, if things go wrong and your station popped down, you can blame the same people I'm bringing up. Don't blame us. It's all on them. They're in charge. It's going to be a good day. We're a good team, and we plan to deliver a great show today.
Yeah, man, what's up this morning? What's up this morning?
What's up?
On the show.
What's up? Coming up on this show, the Tivoli High School Band, who you heard earlier, will help to keep the groove happening to some sweet reggae music throughout this show. Plus, we tell you all about the latest school band competition that they're a part of.
And there's something interesting happening in our sky this morning. Empress and I will track the super blue blood moon, and we'll share with you some superstitions associated with this phenomenon.
Is that why I'm feeling how I'm feeling? Also on the agenda, we take a look at how the business community is being affected by crime and violence. And we continue the discussion with a talk on how to take the profit out of crime.
We'll also get your views in our social media talkback segment, folks, and whether or not you think our next commissioner of police should be a foreigner. Interesting.
Is Renito a foreigner?
He's not.
Okay.
Not as far as I know.
All right. And speaking of foreigners, this week's Glean and Pick is a French-born photographer capturing the beauty of the ordinary Jamaican folk. And of course, we'll get to see some of her creations later on.
Reps from Negril's Oasis Resort stop by to tell us about their latest promotion. And we also make a quick fun stop with the sentence game, because Unique don't have anything to do. But before we get into all of that, let's go through some hot topics.
Who's going to win that game?
Okay. I probably won't. No surprise that the state of public emergency in St. James is to be extended for a further 3 months. Yesterday, the vote was 51 out of 63. 11 members were absent, so I suspect everyone voted in favor. And the Prime Minister, he says that the intelligence pictures built are not only perpetrators, but also we are building the intelligence picture on the facilitators as well, and we'll be targeting both the street-level criminal and the facilitators. So it was declared on January 18 for a period of 2 weeks. He said he did not expect, the Prime Minister said, to accomplish what needed to be fulfilled within the original 14 days. Therefore, more time was needed. 10 guns have been recovered so far, 51 persons arrested and charged for various offenses. So there you go.
And
probably should be extended to the entire country.
You know, and we recently held a dialogue town hall in Clarendon, and Mike Henry did state right there in Clarendon, it was live on TBJ, that he thinks they should have a state of emergency in Clarendon.
Yep.
So the crime rate is very high there.
What's next?
What's next is moving to Trinidad now, our neighbor. Also, Trinidadian police are appealing for help as the country records the bloodiest January in history. 59 people were murdered since the start of the year, surpassing the 2008 figure for January, when 57 were killed at that time. Acting Police Commissioner was speaking on a television program, said that despite the police seizing more than 1,000 illegal weapons, the country's porous borders are making it easy for illegal guns to enter the country. He said they're coming from the United States of America, from Latin America, and the challenge is how do they secure their borders. So that's a lot of weapons. Already 1,000 illegal weapons. Boy, Trinidad, Jamaica, fix up the thing, man. So crime is all around the region, and we have a lot of work to do. And it's affecting all of us in the Caribbean. So we need to come to a kind of CARICOM crime-fighting program, a Caribbean crime-fighting program, because it affects all of us. Very sad. What else is hot? Good news coming up here again. The donations continue for Walker's Place of Safety. I want to thank all of Jamaica who supported the children who are placed, if you don't know, in 3 different children's homes. And I know that the Child Care and Protection Services is collecting donations, cash and goods to keep building up the kitty so that we can rebuild Walker's Place of Safety. Now, the Optimus International Caribbean District has donated recently a $100,000. You can see Bolt there. He donated $1 million, and I call it the domino effect. He started with the big cash, and a lot of people have been, following suit, such as the Optimus International Caribbean District.
Including our group, our Gleaner Communication Group, we made a donation of $500,000.
Beautiful.
Which is fantastic.
Beautiful. One cocoa full basket. It's going to take quite a lot of money to rebuild the home, but the children are in different homes and are, getting support. Once again, we want to thank all of the donors who have been contributing. Keep contributing, because it's a beautiful home, and I can tell you that the caregivers there are amazing,
Yep.
and the children have been displaced, and we need to put them back together
Right.
with the caregivers so that they can stay in their family. And Walker's Place of Safety is 45 years old, so we don't want to
fantastic.
we don't want it to disappear. We want to rebuild it as we rebuild the spirit and lift our children who were victims of that tragedy.
All right, time for some birthdays, folks. Happy birthday to Azaria Cameron. Azaria Cameron, have an absolutely amazing day. Happy birthday to Omi Robinson. Greetings coming from the family and from your friends. I got another one here. Where's Everard, the great Everard? Now, look at this little lady here. Let me get this right, you know. This is Zoe. Zoe is 3 years old. Look how she's beautiful. There is Zoe. Ain't she pretty? 3 years old. Zoe's a belated birthday greeting coming from Nathan and the rest of the family. She's absolutely gorgeous. Yesterday, Dana Wigan. Hope you had a great day yesterday. Dana, greetings came from your mom, Donna, your brother, Jonathan, and the family. And I have one more here. I'll come in. And Dana, I got it yesterday, but I wasn't here yesterday morning, so I couldn't hear you, but I'm happy that I could today. Here is Narda McFarlane McCoy. Narda, hope you have a great day today. Greetings coming from your husband, Carl. There you go, your daughters, Jalissa and Carlissa, your sister-in-law, Yvette. And I have one more picture, I'll soon come. And this is Tassie. And Tassie, I hope you also have a great day today. Here's Tassie. Here's Tassie. Let me get you up nice and big. So here's Tassie. Tassie have a brilliant day today. And many more birthdays. And I think I got, well, my neighbor, my little neighbor, my very good friend, Mikai. His birthday was yesterday. Mikai was 9 years old yesterday. And your mom and your dad, Karen, and Devon, your little brother, Micah, they love you like crazy. I hope you had some fun yesterday, and I hope you have many more birthdays. What about you, Mama?
Boy, I'm just, I have lots of birthdays. People, read the opinion and commentary in the Gleaner today, A4, A5. Read those 2 pages. Very interesting articles there. Happy birthday to all the children born today, especially those in state care, those in foster homes. If you're waking up, we want you to know that you're wonderful. And today is a day to make a difference, to be a better you and to love you more and give thanks for your life. Because guess what? Keep telling people we're going to die longer than we live. So the life you live is not that long. So enjoy it, okay? Have fun, smile, and know that you're wonderful. Happy birthday to all the children born today and all the mothers who are giving birth in the hospital this morning. Happy birthday to your picnic them, because we love them and we're glad they're born today. But today's a good day.
Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great day today.